Home Show.
Lisa from Dublin, California has a question about duct blockage.
Yeah, her washer and dryer, Tom, are up on the second floor, and the duct vents out through the roof. And Lisa writes, the duct has these two 45-degree bends before going straight to the roof. She says the dryer is warning of a 90% blockage, so we had somebody come out and they cleaned the duct. But while in the attic, they found lint by the duct pipe. So somewhere, we think there's a hole or a leak now that it's been cleaned out. He says, can we get in there and clean the lint ourselves and somehow patch it up?
Well, first off, it sounds like they've cleaned the lint out. They're telling them that there's a leak and they didn't fix the leak. That's not going to make it block it at all. It's going to just blow schmutz out into your attic, which is more of just kind of gross. Besides that, it's fine. But as far as that goes, what you need to do is find the leak. Now, if they wrote me and said, hey, I got a split in there, the metal duct is broken, there's a hole, there's ways to do it with that good air conditioning tape that you have the white peel-off backing. You put it around the areas that have a split or a hole or maybe a seam that's not nice and tight. That's usually all it takes for a dryer duct. It's not some sealed air conditioning duct. It's just letting the hot, humid air out. But it sounds like they cleaned it. They just didn't fix a leak. But a leak is not going to make it block. So you have two different issues. And whether you fix it or not, as long as it's unblocked and working, you're okay. But if you want to get up there in the attic, because that's what it looks like to me, and you want to wrap it up with some good quality air conditioning tape, not the rubber duct tape because it doesn't hold heat, but the good stuff, the metal tape, that's fine.
All right. So the question I have, Tom, is those two 45-degree turns. What about, would you think that maybe they should have the duct replaced so it's more of a straight run for that?
I don't know. I would not do that because of the expense and because it's a dryer duct. Now, if it was a gas furnace or something that had some potential danger to it, yes. But this is going to be a maintenance issue. They're going to have it cleaned once in a while. I don't know if I'd do new penetrations in the roof. If somebody can come in and straighten it out a little bit, the less turns, the less restrictions, the better it's going to work. But you're still going to get all kinds of lint up there. So if the lint is getting up in there, that means somebody's not cleaning the lint filter real well. And you got to do the maintenance down below, too, and make sure it's not traveling all the way up in there. So maintain it, keep your lint filter cleaned, and pull the dryer out every year and clean out the dryer hose that goes to the wall and right there at the wall connection. You'd be surprised how you can avoid regular maintenance calling professionals in.
All right. So annual maintenance on the
you got to get clean.
All right. It is one of the leading causes of house fires, so you want to make sure you get that thing cleaned
Yes.
out. All right. You got a question? Happy to help you out. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button, fill out that form, send it in, and we'll answer your questions just like this, help you around the house. And we've answered hundreds and thousands of questions, and all those videos are posted for you at HomeShowRadio.com. You can find them on our Facebook page, and they're real easy to find on YouTube. So go check that out. And if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up on that.